Konnichiwa. Genki desu ka? So Tib is getting low. Swinging with the hands. Oh, sugoi! Genki desu ka? Genki desu yo. Bye bye. Yeah, so once again, when you're photographing kids, yeah, just start taking, my suggestion isn't to ask for permission then start taking photos. Just get very, very close and just start taking photos immediately. And yeah, just put on a big smile, wave at them, engage with them. And you know, usually just, it's all your mental mindset thing. You know, a lot of times people are afraid to say, oh, you know what, people think I'm a pedophile. But if you're not a pedophile, what are you afraid of?